Welcome to today's video. In this video, we will focus on the human-centered design and safety features of the Sublistar printer, exploring how its thoughtful design enhances user experience and ensures operational safety.
Built-in permanent filter. Equipped with a permanent filter. This feature helps maintain a dust-free environment, reduces maintenance costs, and ensures long-term operation without the need for frequent filter changes. More convenient control interface. Equipped with a 7-inch color PLC integrated touchscreen, offering a clear and simple interface that allows users to easily adjust printer settings, reducing operational errors. Safety protection feature. Including an open lid to stop feature, where the machine automatically stops powder spraying and shaking when the powder shaker lid is open during operation, preventing accidental injury and ensuring user safety. Leakage protection. Equipped with leakage protection to prevent electrical faults from causing safety issues. One-click automatic lifting. The DSP S10i series shaker enables fully automatic lifting and retracting, eliminating the need for the operator to laboriously lift the oven. Save time, save labor, and save your mind. Friendly anti-suction cooling fan. User-friendly to prevent hair, clothing, etc. from being sucked in, especially for female workers to protect personnel safety when collecting printed film. Also cools and handles high-temperature curing film for better pattern color rendering. Customer recommendation. Customers trust Sublistar because it truly considers the needs of the consumer. The series of human-centered designs and safety features in Sublistar make us feel confident and safe while using the machine. Whether it's the optimized pipe design or the one-click automatic lifting feature, every detail shows their consideration for the operator. Since switching to Sublistar, our production has become smoother, operations are simpler, safety has greatly improved, and productivity has significantly increased. Sublistar has carefully considered user convenience and safety in its design, ensuring that every detail reflects care for the user and a commitment to safety. If you're looking for a safe, reliable, and easy-to-operate printing device, Sublistar is undoubtedly your best choice. Contact us now to learn more.